After presenting the Constitution to a grateful nation on 25th of November 1949, Dr. Baba Saheb, the visionary that he was, cautioned that the working of the Constitution does not depend upon the document itself. It depends upon those who are tasked with implementing it. He said, and I quote, "However good a constitution may be, it is sure to turn out bad because those who are called to work it happen to be a bad lot. However bad a constitution may be, it may turn out to be good if those who are called to work it happen to be a good lot." In this, Dr. Baba Saheb was referring to all of us. Therefore, each day we must strive to be a good lot, or at least a better lot than what we might have been yesterday or in the past. It is in our hands to implement the Constitution. If we fail, then we disrespect the memory and efforts of this great soul, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Our tributes, however mighty and lavish, would mean little if we disregard the caution and fail to abide by his advice of striving to turn out to be a good lot. Therefore, today we must resolve to do our best. I appreciate the organizers of this small but significant function. This is an opportunity, siren call perhaps, to renew our commitment. Thank you very much and Jai Hind.
Then I thought that yes, there are provisions of equality in our constitution. But one more thing when I realized, we read Article 1, there is a provision which name our country as India, but thereafter they say that is Bharat. So that word Bharat plays a significant role. The moment we say Bharat, we realize our past, great, our past where our culture, our heritage, and those great dynasties who really had such a riches, who were in fact and having control over half of the world. So they get inspired by that. So that is a call. When we call Bharat, we become Bharatiya. Those who live in Bharat is a Bharatiya. So that is a call of joining. That is a equality between us. So that's why we should really appreciate the drafting Constitution Committee and particularly Dr. Baba Saheb for including all these things in our Constitution so that we realize that we are united, we are equals. And that is the reason why we call it Samarastha means uniting.